Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag in Delta Force. If you're experiencing lag, stuttering or frame drops while playing Delta Force, don't worry at all. In today's video, I'll show you some simple and effective ways to get your game running smoothly. First of all, make sure that the device that you're using meets minimum requirements for Delta Force. Low specs can cause lag, so upgrading hardware like RAM or graphics card might be necessary. So the next thing you want to look for is to make sure that the device you are using has a stable internet connection. Once you have a strong one, you can launch open the game and from the main home screen, go to the top right corner and tap Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Graphics and Sound on the left. From here, if you are using a low-spec device, make sure that the graphic quality is low. Go to Smooth or Standard under Graphics, and then you can also click on Low under FPS. If your device lags, overheats or it uses high power, you can select the Low or Medium option. Once you do that, you can return to the main menu and start the game and see if that works. Also, make sure to close all the background running programs. Close unnecessary programs running in the background of your device, swipe out from the bottom of your screen, and then close off any other unnecessary applications. Make sure that only Delta Force is running on your device at the moment, and once you do that, you might be able to free up CPU and RAM for smoother gameplay. Also, make sure that the Delta Force application you are using is updated to the latest version. To make sure, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type in Delta Force. From the search results, open up the Delta Force app and check if there is an update button available. If yes, tap on Update to get the latest version of the Delta Force app on your device. Once you have the updated version, you can play the game, and this might be able to fix your lagging experience in Delta Force application on your device. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.